Hello, everybody. Welcome back. So, just to facilitate you all, we have moved to the Zoom link, which is going to help you all in showing your assignments to the faculty members. So, I just shared the Zoom link on the chat just now. If you guys can see that, it's on the chat. I'm sending it again to everybody. Please see this link. Just mute it, don't switch off. आप म्यूट कर लो, वीडियो ऑफ मत करो वरना पता नहीं लगेगा लोग आ रहे हैं जा रहे हैं. Hello, everybody. On the GoToWebinar, I request you all to join us on the Zoom link that is available here again. This is a better platform to give you more clear feedback. Hello, everybody. I'm requesting you all. The link is here on the chat on the question. This is the link that I just shared. So anybody, the audience here on the GoToWebinar, I request you all to join on the Zoom link.
Mommy, please.
Hello, everyone. Hope you're getting my messages on the GoToWebinar. I request you all to join us on the Zoom link. We can delay for 5 minutes for you all to reach on the Zoom panel. We'll start the webinar, the session on the Zoom once you all are there, those who have joined here. Rudra, I request you to join on the Zoom, please. Sean, Mary, Nagasai, Athikrit Sarkar, Anushka Kokate, Arya Pandya, Amodita Singhal. I request you all to join on the Zoom link available here again. Anushka, did you find the link? If not, just SMS. Yeah, great, Amodita. Pathikrit Sarkar. Pathikrit, this is the link again I'm sending here. You can raise your hand if you're not getting the link. If you're not able to see the link here, you can WhatsApp me. I'll send you on the WhatsApp, please. Arya Pandya, are you able to? Great. So Arya is here. Super. Great. I think Arya, you can leave at the GoToWebinar and stay here. Thank you. Radhika, are you there? Can I request you to join us. Yeah, thank you. Patikrit Sarkar, Rudra is there. Radhika. Radhika, I request you to join on the Zoom, please. Here is the link. Shan, tell me, you can WhatsApp me, Shan. I'll send you the Zoom link on the WhatsApp. Okay, here the go. It goes the link. Okay, here is the link again to all. Yeah, so there are people, 4-5 people more. I'm just shifting them, joining on quickly. Yeah, 2:15, of course, I will connect everybody. There are a few people who are not able to. Rudra is there. Okay, it's Rudra here. Guys, you're listening, just WhatsApp me on 8800-209-888 so I can send you the link there on the WhatsApp. Samreen Sultan, welcome. I request you to join on the Zoom link, please. Here's the link. Vishnu, please come to the Zoom, please. We are not taking the session on the GoToWebinar, as previous class was on the GoToWebinar. Today, the session is on the Zoom. So see you all at the Zoom. Whoever is not able to see the link there, if you're not able to open on the GoToWebinar, just WhatsApp me on 8800-209-888. I'll send you the link on the WhatsApp. Patikrit Sarkar, I request you to join now. Okay, great. Samreen Sultan, I request you to join on the Zoom, please. Okay, great. Vanshika. Okay, so last few more candidate. Just yeah. Utkanta, Utkanta, please join on this. Vanshika, Utkanta, I request you to join on the Zoom link. Here is the Zoom link for you. Viditi Jain, I request you to join on the Zoom. We have shifted this exercise to the Zoom platform today just to give you more feedback, valuable feedback that you all required. So here is the link on the chat. Hope you've seen this. If you can't, just write me on the WhatsApp 8800-209-888. So I'll WhatsApp you the link on your WhatsApp. Vanshika just joined here. Join us on the Zoom, please, Vanshika. We have begun the session there. Please move to the Zoom. Hi, Arvind. We have moved this platform today to Zoom. I request you to join on this link and take a class there. Did you receive the link here? If you're not, then WhatsApp me on 8800-209-888. I'll send the link. Arvind, am I audible? We have started the session at Zoom just now, at just 5 minutes ago. So use this link and join us on the Zoom link. If you're not able to copy this link, then WhatsApp me. I will send a link there. My number is 8800-209-888. Hello, Arvind. Just speak. Arvind, just put your mic on so we can talk here. Unmute yourself. Arvind, just join us on the link, Zoom link.